Thanks again for the fill, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, thank you. This is Flawless Soccer. Pick your team, number 45. Number 45. Watching, but anyway, good luck. All right, so we have the matter of a small 12 spot, 12 winner random to take care of. Again, in this random, the bottom 6 will get break credit. So I will do the break credit first like we do usually, and then we'll take it from there on these flawless deals. All right, there are your teams, or there your participants. Only thing I re-roll is Snake Eyes. Here we go. Three times. We're going only 3 times. 3 times. We got Rich for 2, Ecstasy for 1, Zon for 1, Javier for 1, Pine Tar for 1, Anarita for 2, Javier for a second, Rich Gill for 1, Mr. Max, and Euron Silo. We're going 3 times, guys. Good luck. We're going only 3 times. One. Javier on top. 2. Rich Gill on top. Third and final. Good luck. 3. Zon, Anarita, Mr. Max, Rich, Ecstasy, Rich, Javier. Anyway, down there. Wow. Sorry, Javier, man. Shoot. All right. Bottom 6 get break credit. Nothing in the top half for you. All right, let me do the break credits first. Anarita. Anarita, you got 25 bucks. Jaime, you have 25 bucks. So that means, Jaime, you now have 35 bucks. All right, next 4 up, get 15 each. Javier, you got 30 bucks. Rich, you got 15. And Corey, Pine Tar, you also have 15. You also have 15 bucks. All right, that does it for the break credits. All right, let me print this out. Come on, print already. Printing? Why is it not printing? Oh, because I gotta press the damn print button. Alright, where's the teams list? Sorry guys, give me one sec here. Ah, that's why. This should be box number 45, and today is the 30th. Okay, so this is box number 45. Today is the 30th. Alright, let's move you guys back over here. Draft, yeah, it's a draft. It's a draft, sorry. It's a draft. So, Zahn, you're up. Zahn, you are up. There are the teams left. Oh, sorry. 12 spots, 12 winners. The bottom 6 get $110 break credit, 25, 25, and then 15 each. Sorry, guys. Anyway. Zahn is up with the first pick. Brazil. Okay, so Brazil is gone. Anarita, you're up. Argentina. All right, next up, Mr. Max. Mark, you're up. Mr. Max wants Portugal. Okay, take Spain. Who's next? Marek, you're up. And get the same team again, I guess, huh? See if you can get a couple more autos. Ecstasy is next. That's what I was gonna say. All right, Belgium at 6 goes to Rich. All right, Belgium's gone. After Rich, oh, Javier for 2. You're up for 2, Javier. Javier takes France. Javier takes Poland. All right, Javier takes France and Poland. Rich Gill is up next. He takes Chile. Alright, Chile, so let me take all these teams out that are done. France is gone, Poland is gone, Chile is gone. Corey, Pine Tar, you're up. Serbia. Yeah, that's Serbia. The 15 you get anyway, regardless of that's just to show like break credit. But you have $15 break credit anyway, Pine Tar. Pine Tar is Corey. All right, so that means Jaime, would you like Atletico or Switzerland? Who's up? Who's up? Euron Silo. Jaime. Did Euron Silo leave? Euron Silo. Are you in the house? You're on Silo, going once. You're on Silo? No? Looks like he's gone. All right, we're going to give him, I don't know where he went, but he left. I guess we're going to give him Atletico. We just go down the list. You're on Silo, you got Atletico. And Switzerland goes to Anarita. All right. Okay, thanks again for the fill. Ladies and gentlemen, that one was recording, right? Yes, it was. Publish that sucker. All right, this is Flawless Soccer number 45. Sorry, I had the numbers wrong there, and today is the 30th. Here are your teams. Chris Traska, you had AC Milan, Ajax, Dominic, Borussia Dortmund, Mike, Daniel, and Dominic. Croatia, Zahn, England, Zinger, War Turtles, Barcelona, Zenit, Marvin, that guy Jerry, Germany, Paris Saint-Germain, Claudio, Real Madrid, Anarita, USA, Chris, Uruguay, Adriano. Chris, by the way, did you send for AC Milan? I didn't see that one. Anyway, I'll figure that out later, but let me know if you sent for that. Maybe you had break credit. I can't remember. All right. Anarita, you got Argentina. Jaime, you got Atletico. This is Jaime Urancillo. Jaime, you left Jaime. I took the highest team left for you. Belgium, Rich. Bosnia, Claudio. Zan, Brazil. Marek, Cameroon. Rich got Chile. Garrett got Colombia. Ron, Bayern. Javier, France. Ron, Galatasaray. Shaka, Italy. Javier, Ivory Coast. Javier, Mexico. Marek, Netherlands. Poland. I think Poland was Javier. Sorry, Javier. Yeah, Poland's Javier. Portugal, Mark. Pintar, Serbia. Rich, Spain. And Anarita, Switzerland. Okay, all right, you're good then. Just wasn't sure. I didn't see that, but I'll take your word for it. All right, you're good. So I'll just knock down the break credit for Chris. All right, let's get the box opened. All right, this is gonna be our last break before the Nationals, everyone. Last break before the Nationals. Good luck. We'll be breaking a lot from the Nationals, though. We'll be having a lot of breaks from the Nationals. Lift this up a little bit more. It's a little low. Let's do that. I think that's better, like that. Whoa, everything is kind of flying all over the place here. There we go. First hit, 7 of 10. Thomas Vermeulen going to FC Barcelona. Barcelona, Simon and the War Turtles. Simon and the War Turtles. I'll put that key back in there later. Next up, we have Giuseppe Rossi, Italia, 8 of 13. Wow, next one's nice. Next one is very nice. Next one's pretty sick. Wow, this guy does well with this team. This next one is like majorly sick. I don't know what it's numbered to. It's got to be low numbered. Oh yeah, it is very low numbered. It is super sick coming up. Italy. Shakaman. Giuseppe Rossi going to Shakaman. This next one's just nasty. This next one is just nasty. Wow, it is sick, sick, sick. How about 4 of 5? 4 of 5 for England, Daniel Sturridge. Look at those patches. Congrats to Mark. That is sick. That is just nasty sick. Sook is watching, but these double, mem cards are just nasty. That's the gold parallel version, 4 of 5. Those England cards sell for big money. Next one. Top of the class, Zahn. Top of the class, Willian. Oh, Zinger, you got him, right. What the hell am I thinking? Zinger, sorry. I'm glad you said that. I didn't even, for some reason, I thought Mark, how you switched them. You're right. No, you're absolutely right, Zinger. Sorry. Gotta make sure I didn't screw that up in the last one, too. You're right. Zinger, you're absolutely sorry. Thanks for pointing that out, man. I don't know what I was smoking there. You do have him. Yeah, you switched with Mark, right? You gave him Nationals and you took this one. Ooh, congrats, man. That is sick. Sorry. Sorry, Mark, if you got all excited. You did not have them. Zinger. Yeah, let me just double check. I did not write Zinger's his name on that last one. I guess I forgot. The last one I did write it correctly, Zinger, so. Same guy, but this one is a lot better hit than that last one. This one is money. That double, that's big money right there. Anyway, sorry, Zinger, it's all yours. That one is yours. Next up. Wow. 1 of 25, Iker Casillas, Spain. 1 of 25, Iker Casillas and Spain. It's going to Rich. All right, last time in the last box, let me mark this first. Here you go, Rich. I believe that is jersey number 2. That's a 1. And that's a 1 of 25. So that is jersey number. Iker Casillas for Spain. The last box, someone hit a couple of autos and asked for a specific guy as their third one. And why not? Marco van Basten, 8 of 15 for the Netherlands. Netherlands did well in these two boxes. You hit the Rijkaard, you hit the Gullit, and now you hit the van Basten. Eight of 15, Marco van Basten. Alright, last one before we go inside the box. Marco van Basten goes to Marek, of course. Netherlands, Marek. And nice one here. 4 of 15, Jurgen Klinsmann for Germany. 4 of 15, Jurgen Klinsmann for Germany. Germany. Where did Germany go? Oh, that guy, Jerry. There you go, Jerry. Nice one. 4 of 15, Jurgen Klinsmann, International Icons. Yeah, that was a nice trio there, Mark. 3 autos with the Netherlands. They all played together, too. All right, last 3 hits. Good luck, good luck. We're going in the box. Nice ones. All right, let's start off here. Marian Fellaini of Belgium. Fellaini of Belgium. Belgium belongs to Rich. That's 10 of 20. Next up. Who the heck is this? Oh, nice. Mats Hummels, Germany. Germany, Mats Hummels. Mats Hummels, Germany goes to Jerry, right? That guy, Jerry, and Germany. And our last hit. How about 5 of 10 gold Gianluigi Buffon For Italia. Very nice. Nobody wanted Italy. Italy did well in this box. Nice job, Shaka. You did alright, buddy. Italia. Italia, Italia. Five of 10 on the Buffon. 5 of 10. That does it, guys. That does it for our break. Let me do a quick recap really quick here. That one goes to Shaka. Gianluigi Buffon, 5 of 10, gold parallel. Very sick. All right, here are our quick recap. Our quick recap. We had Barcelona, Simon, 7 of 10. Show these keys in here. We had Italy, Shaka Man, Giuseppe Rossi, 8 of 13. Then our gem cards, we had Fellaini, Belgium, 10 of 20 for Rich. And then Hummels of Germany for Jerry. That was 14 of 15. And then our autographs. Ooh, I forgot to box the Brazil one. The Brazil one was Zahn. Zahn got the Willian. 6 of 10 for Brazil. That went to Zahn. I'll put that in a bag for Garrett. I forgot to bag that one. There you go, Garrett. That one was yours. William, 6 of 10, top of the class. Yeah, sorry, Anna. That was not a good box for you. My apologies. Autographs. We had a sick Marco van Basten for Marek. This was a nice box, though. Very high, you know, I mean, all good autos. Van Basten, 8 of 15 for Marek. A nice, that guy, Jerry, 4 of 15 auto from Jurgen Klinsmann. A very nice 1 of 25 for Iker Casillas and Rich. Then we had this sick 5 of 10 for Shaka Man. Pretty solid, very solid case as a case. And then we had this one, 4 of 5 for Zinger. That is a keeper Zinger. That's a sick one. 4 of 5. Nastiness for Daniel Sturridge. Yeah, we hit everything but on Arita's teams. Sorry, Anarita, not so good in that box. At least you got the Ronaldo gem in the last box, but this box was rough. Anyway, guys, I'm going to be coming at you from the Nationals starting on Wednesday. We're going to be there Wednesday, day, night, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday night, Thursday night. I'm also going to be breaking Flawless from the Nationals. So I'm going to post those as well. So Wednesday night, Thursday night, I'm going to be doing full case Flawless breaks from the Nationals. We're going to be giving away some stuff there too. So anyway, so if anybody keep an eye out on Facebook. I will be posting those breaks. Let me stop the local recording.